Zack Snyder enthralls Henry Cavill's fans with major update. Zack Snyder has just hinted at the return of British hunk Henry Cavill as the famous Superman to the big screen, offering fans a long-awaited moment of closure and excitement. The development comes 7 years after the original release of The Last Son of Kryptonite, and the film has the potential to draw a global audience. Snyder, who was originally scheduled to helm the first big crossover picture starring Cavill in the DCEU, was replaced by Joss Whedon due to a personal tragedy. Snyder's version was published on HBO Max in 2021 following a fan campaign, and it is reportedly speculated to be coming to theaters. After nearly 5 years of vigorous social media lobbying by fans, Snyder's Justice League went from rumor to reality when it debuted on HBO Max 3 years ago. Snyder's version of the film differs greatly from Joss Whedon's. His Justice League adaptation featuring Cavill as Superman has never had a proper theatrical release due to its HBO Max exclusivity. A limited release would give DCEU fans the opportunity to see one of the Snyder's finest cinematic victories. It should be mentioned that Cavill was dismissed from playing Superman due to James Gunn's intention to remake the whole DC universe. Actor David Corenswet has been cast as the next Superman.